Hey guys, welcome to Diecast, and in today's video, I will be reviewing this Spark 118 Jaguar XJR-14. And I just want to start with, this is a pretty rare model. So it's not in the minted condition, but I'm still happy with the model. It's very iconic. Even the box is, like, if you notice the Spark logo, it's not the usual Spark model logo that used to be. So yeah, and just show you the rest of it, and then I'm just gonna quickly skip to taking out the box and go straight to the model itself. So the model is held by 3 screws underneath, and it has this nice kind of hardboard or like particle wood base holding it all together. And I will show you guys what it looks like when it's on the display. And there you have it. Out of the box, it looks absolutely stunning. It's just so aggressive, and the huge wing, like, I'd say one of the biggest wings I've seen on a model car in a long time. Alright, so let's start from the body. I love the color. I love the silk cut livery. It's just amazing. One of the next few cars that I'm really looking forward to is the Jaguar XJR-14 by Exodo. That one I'm still keeping my eye on, and for some reason I'm just humming and hawing, and at the same time it's expensive, so hopefully I get to that. But yeah, as for now, I was able to acquire this model and I'm very happy. Again, it's not in mint condition. Some pieces are missing, as you can see, the T from the silk cut is missing, the antenna and a few pieces of the wing. But at the same time, finding this model out in the wild on eBay or wherever, it's very, very hard to find this model. And yeah, like, same on this other side, like, as you can see, like, pretty mint there, but if you look, like, the J on the Jaguar is a little bit chipped there, but you know what, I still love it. Same with this Jaguar right here, like, the J isn't perfect, you know, I don't care. For me, I just love the car. I love how iconic it is, and I'm happy. Some people, they want perfection. I totally understand. For me, I'm content with this. And you know, I'm not paying an arm and a leg for a very expensive model, because I know these models go like a couple hundred at the least. So yeah, let's start with the decals. They are very, very well done. There are some pieces that, again, I do have to mention that since this is a Spark model, it is a non-opening model. So again, there's these tiny little pieces all over the car. There's a latch there, the exhaust, and then a bunch of vent openings here. Unfortunately, it's hard to see, but you can see these front vents are also through and through. Separate pieces for the side mirrors for sure. I just love all these tiny details. Like, the more that you look at it, the more you can see more detail. Yeah, so there's like a latch there to open up the door, or like the window. Just a whole bunch of vents everywhere. And the cool thing about this vehicle, or this sports car, is this whole thing right here is just absolutely hollow. Like, it's just hollow right there. So basically, this is like a massive front wing on this end here. Like, just the aerodynamics of these old Le Mans prototype cars are insane. Like, I just love all the decals on it. It's just such a great livery. Sorry, I'm at a loss for words right now. It's just really good. Again, separate pieces on the headlights. You can see all separate pieces. Let's see if I can zoom in. Again, one of the pieces that are missing, there should be a tow hook right in the middle there in the indent. I actually didn't notice until I paid attention to some photos of it, because I do have some literature regarding this model, and I was like, where's the tow hook? And it's like, oh crap, it's not there. So one day I might have to refabricate my own tow hook. I could do that. On the side, it's very, very similar to the other side, but the only difference is the fuel opening. Let's go back to that. As you can see there, and it's blocked off right here. And then we also see again another exhaust opening right there. And I like all these like switches all over the place, you know. I guess the door opens like this big, and then you have these like vents right here at the back as well, and they're through and through. That's the beauty of it. It's not an opening model, but at the same time, the stuff that you do see exterior wise is pretty detailed. Again, parts of the wing are missing, so there are these angular wing supports that goes right here and right there. Unfortunately, that's missing. I think I'm going to refabricate those as well. Not a big deal to me. We do have some more vents at the back here. Just vents galore on this car. Like, it's just crazy. Like, look how much wing detail is. So there's this wing here. There's another base of the wing there. And the same on top here. There's this wing, and then like there's just wings and winglets everywhere. Alright, wheel detail. We do see some detail on the tires. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a little bit like beat up like that. Like you can see the markings on it are a bit beat up, but I kind of like it that way. It looks like it just went for a race. And we do see some detail on caliper. You can see Brembo right there. And I like the shade of color that you can see right there on the brake rotor. Tires are slicks, and virtually, as you can see, the rears are very, very much wider, and the diameter is also bigger compared to the front. You can clearly see how different it is for the what do you call this? The offset. It's hard to see in this angle. But yeah, you can see the Brembo caliper at the back as well, and same with the rotor, and slicks at the back again. And then you can see the difference on the width. They're about the same, actually. I'm gonna zoom out here. It's about the same. Almost similar. Let's do a zoom out. Yeah, you can see the difference. The width is pretty close, but you can tell that the rears are a bit thick. And I guess while I'm in this position, there's this massive like arrow underneath here, but the rest, it's just a flat panel. See that huge, like, I guess you can call it a rear diffuser at this point, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to do an exterior review of the cockpit here. Lots of cool details you can see. You see these fans inside. I'm a really big fan of these. Like, it's just amazing. So you see clearly just one person in there, one driver. So Willen's harness, very detailed. You can see it's all separate pieces. What is that, a cup? No, seems to be some sort of device in the middle. That'd be funny if it's like a thermos or something like that. Lots of details inside as well. See a Momo steering wheel, as seen on the pictures in the box. You also see a bunch of dials and buttons. See if there's some detail in the gauge cluster. Yeah, looks like there's some detail in the gauge cluster there. My apologies for it being a tad bit dusty. I haven't cleaned this off yet. I had to fix that wing. So, see on this side. Looks like all the electronics. Unfortunately, looks like they skipped a little bit here. It's all molded in one piece. And fortunately, it's hard to see inside. I'm very curious, like, if you guys know what this is, like that thing right there, that metallic thermos looking thing, please let me know. I'm really curious. I guess I can look at it on my literature as well. Oh, very interesting. What is that cylindrical thing? And I'll just give you guys since it's gonna be a short video here. As you can see, that is just the huge arrow just in the front there. Like, it's just a gaping hole right there where air passes through. And then all the wings, better detail there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Insane details. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.